how those who are homeless are being treated on the streets of Phoenix, especially down in the zone. Also spawned lawsuits running concurrent to the DOJ's probe. ABC 15 investigator Melissa Blasius looking into whether court orders have relieved any concerns about civil rights and the seizures of people's personal belongings.
What do you want the nation to know about the people who live here?
It is sort of like a human catastrophe.
Elizabeth Venable is fighting for the rights of unhoused Phoenicians on two fronts. For the past 2 years, she's been connecting people who believe their rights have been violated to Department of Justice investigators.
I have no idea when the investigation will be over, but I am very much in contact with the DOJ Civil Rights Division.
Then a year ago, her group, the Fund for Empowerment, with the help of the ACLU, filed this federal civil rights lawsuit directly against the city of Phoenix.
Prior to our lawsuit, the city and particularly the Phoenix Police Department was aggressively using criminal citations to harass and criminalize homelessness.
So I asked interim Phoenix Police Chief Michael Sullivan.
Do you think that there have been violations, constitutional violations, involving some of these seizures or some of the policing of the zone and their help in the cleanups?
Well, I can tell you, when we talk about the cleanups, we are only there for call. We have been there at a couple different instances, but they have private security that are out there. They have outreach workers that are working with the folks that are out there.
And a federal judge did issue temporary restrictions back in December on police and other city worker interactions with people in homeless encampments. They remain in effect today.
Under the injunction that we got in federal court, it says that the city of Phoenix can't ban people from sleeping or camping or sitting or lying unless there's practically enough shelter. And that doesn't mean that they can find 20 beds and then shove people in 20 beds overnight.
And when there are cleanup sweeps, there are new rules to ensure people's personal tents, important papers, medication, and other belongings are not illegally seized and thrown away.
And that includes tagging and holding onto property for 30 days and providing a way for folks to get that property back.
We have now developed a plan to store belongings when we do cleanups so that residents can reclaim driver's license and other materials. It's been very carefully negotiated.
It's unclear how the final DOJ investigative report will take into account the city's changes. And Elizabeth Venable wants to remind the decision makers on both sides.
Everybody who's in the zone and everybody who's homeless in the city of Phoenix is a human being. And they deserve the kind of care that every other human being deserves.
In Phoenix, I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.